back, or welcome if you're new here on today. This is Katrina's Priceless Home Life and More. I share home decor, tablescapes, cooking in my priceless kitchen, cleaning motivation, shopping hauls, and so much more because it's a lifestyle channel. Now, don't forget to follow me on Facebook and Instagram. So it's actually Thursday morning. That's right. I shot this video today because it's a Mother's Day weekend and I need to tidy the house up. You know, my brother and I feel our mom is super special. And so do a few other thousand people or so. And who knows who may be stopping by the house. So a little quick refresh. It is in order. So I'm starting off in my entryway. I hope you enjoy this credenza styling on today. So this candlestick holder can be found in my Amazon storefront. You know, conveniently open 24 hours a day, 7 days a week for your shopping enjoyment. And of course, the link is in the description box below. Listen, talk about a decor store that I really miss. That would be Tuesday Morning. I found this space about 3 years ago. It was $29.99. And of course, I had to find the smaller version. And I purchased that as well. And that was $19.99. I really miss going in Tuesday morning.
That the maker of heaven would love me and know me by name. In a world where I feel like a stranger.
You might remember these stems from my last collective haul. I found these, you know it, on the A. That's right, Amazon. And this stem right here and these stems right here, I either purchased them from Hobby Lobby or Dollar General. Can't remember right now, but let's see what we can come up with.
What is love that the God of the heavens would stoop down to love me with grace? In the midst of my pride and rebellion, his love wouldn't give up the chase. In each breath that I breathe, when I wake or I sleep, everything I need is found in you. All in you. Everything I need is found in you. Found in you, Jesus. Everything I need.
Okay, family, time for a quick announcement. Join me Saturday, 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time for our monthly chit chat. This is the pre-Mother's Day edition. And of course, I have a special guest. It's Mama, so you don't want to miss it.
I can see you far and wide across the ocean, above the clouds. In your presence, I am free. I hear your whisper through the wind. Here, right now, there's no place that I would rather be. So let this moment last. I've searched myself, I've tried to figure out who I am, and you were always there to lift me up, 'cause no one else can make me love like you.
Don't forget to stop by my Amazon storefront for items used in this video and, of course, my Amazon favorites. Thank you so much for stopping by the channel for this pre-Mother's Day decorating, refresh, all of that good stuff. And on your way out, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and a kind comment below, because thumbs up and comments help my channel to continue to grow. And I would like to say welcome to all of my new subscribers. I see you and I thank you so very much. Now let's go to the next video. Oh yeah, see you Saturday.
Here, right now, there's no place that I would rather be. So let